girls ready?
Yes.
Yep. Oh, you have a question? Okay. Alright, do you remember? Let me know. So, what are triangles, right? When we're talking about triangles, the main differences are angles and anybody know? Yes. And sides, right? So triangles are going to be different because of different angles and different sides. What types of triangles are different because of their sides? There's three of them. Yeah. The cube. Just one's fine. Oh no, those are angles. We'll start with that. With the ones that are different because of their angles. So an acute triangle, yeah.
An obtuse.
An obtuse triangle, yeah. Obtuse. One more, yeah.
Right angle.
The right angle, yes. Right angle. And what is an acute triangle? It's on your notes. You can look. Yeah.
It's when it kind of gives a little. It's look at your notes.
Yeah. Yeah, an acute triangle. What is an acute triangle? Yeah, in the back.
It's a triangle that is smaller than 90 degrees.
The angles are smaller than 90 degrees, right?
Okay.
And all three have to be smaller than 90 degrees. So, and an obtuse triangle. What is an obtuse triangle? Who wants to answer? Yeah.
An obtuse triangle is when the angles are greater than 90 degrees.
How many angles? Because not all of them can be greater than 90, right? That'd be a strange shape. Huh?
3?
No. Look on your notes. It's not. Yep. Yeah, over here. You know?
No, I was just asking a question. On both of their tables, that one and that one, why did they both say triangle?
Okay, yeah, that's a great question. So I'm trying to explain the different types of triangle that there are, and there are 6, and one is because the angles are different, right? And that's what we're working on right now. And the other one will be the sides. The sides are different. So what is an obtuse triangle? Yeah, in the back.
One side is greater than 90 degrees.
Mm-hmm. Yeah, and that's it. So one angle greater than 90. And the last one, a right angled triangle. What is a right angled triangle? Yeah.
A right angle is an angle that is 90 degrees.
Mm-hmm. So a right angled triangle is just a triangle with a right angle. So one angle is 90 degrees. Is everybody able to write this down?
Yeah.
All right. So on this table, we're going to talk about the other type of triangle. Does anybody want to give a name for one of them? Yeah.
Scaling.
Scaling. Okay, that'll be our first one. Somebody want to give a definition of it? Yeah.
A triangle that sides and angles are all different, so that there's one acute, one obtuse, and one right.
Yeah. So when we're talking about these triangles with different sides, what we're talking about is the length of the sides, right? So say we have this triangle, and this side is, we're just going to pretend, right? This is 1 inch, and this side is, let's say, 3 inches, and this side maybe is 2 inches. Right? This is a scaling triangle because all the different sides are a different length. Does that make sense? Any questions? Okay, so that's what a scaling is. All sides are different lengths. And what is another type of triangle that deals with their sides? Yeah. Yeah. Yep. Isosceles, yeah. Sounds like iced sausages, right? Isosceles. And what is an isosceles triangle? Yeah.
A triangle with 2 equal sides and 2 equal angles.
Yeah, 2 equal sides. So this one, can I erase this?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah. It's a great question. What can you give to the world? So, so an isosceles triangle has 2 equal sides and 2 equal angles. It'll look something like this, right? These angles will be the same, and what's important here is that these 2 sides are the same, right? So let's say 2 inches and 2 inches, just as an example, and this one might be, 1.5 inches. Right, so isosceles triangle has 2 equal sides. Right? And the third, what's the third type of triangle? Equilateral, yeah. Now let me just write a little bit here. 2 equal sides. And the third one was equilateral, right? And what does that mean? Yeah.
It's a triangle that has all equal sides and it's not like that.
Yeah. And we can tell, right, just by looking at the word, that kind of looks like equal, right?
Yeah.
Equal, all the sides are equal to each other.
Equal and
And lateral means sides. So equal sides. Yeah. No, but we have an activity to do right now. I'm just going to draw what an equilateral triangle might look like. So, this might be 1 inch, and all of them might be 1 inch. And that's pretty simple. All sides are the same. So, any questions? Protract. Yes, it's awesome. So, I'm going to